Nice fish. Calm down, don't tap my lure that you already have. Man. Tying this jig up. I will. Get it on the fall. Killing this jig, man. Purple chartreuse is a beast. Asking already. Extra loaded. Croaking like a croaker. Hitting like a runaway train. Hitting the bait as it's falling. That's a good bite when you can get them hitting it as it's falling. You don't get no better than that. You want your presentation to be as natural as possible. Tide coming in, have your bait just bouncing right along like a shrimp working along the bottom. And what's perfect, like I said, I'm in 4 foot of water throwing in the 11 and 12 foot of water, so I'm coming up a drop off. And that is a prime spot to get fish. Got the reef now. It's all right. I'm gonna stop it right there while I retie. Hooked up fishing, that hard hitter, Skeeter D, out here in Offits Bayou, killing these Gulf trout. Basket full of them. Loaded down. I'm gonna pause it while I retie.